Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. Hi, everyone.
Paul, today I want to talk about something very simple but super important.
Oh, let me guess. How to eat pizza in English. Pizza.
Not pizza, Paul. How to introduce yourself in English.
Ah, okay. That's actually more useful than pizza.
So, if I meet someone for the first time, what do I say?
Start with a greeting. The most common is hello or hi.
Okay. So, hi, I'm Emily.
Perfect. You can also say hello, my name is Emily.
So both are correct?
Yes, but I'm Emily is shorter and more natural.
Just my name feels too short. What else can I say?
Good question. After your name, you can add where you are from. For example, I'm Paul. I'm from England.
Oh, like, I'm Emily. I'm from Canada.
Exactly.
And if I don't want to say my country,
Then you can talk about your job or what you do. For example, I'm a student, or I'm an English teacher.
okay, so I can say, I'm Emily. I'm a student.
Yes, that's clear and simple.
May I also discuss my hobbies?
Of course. That makes your introduction more interesting.
So I can say, I'm Emily. I'm from Canada. I like reading books.
Perfect. And you can even add something funny, like, I like reading books, but only on sunny beaches.
That sounds nice. But what if I don't like beaches?
Then just say, I like pizza. Everyone likes pizza.
Except my cat.
Well, your cat doesn't need to introduce itself in English.
True.
Okay, Emily, let's try a full introduction.
All right. Hi, I'm Emily. I'm from Canada. I'm a student and I like playing the guitar.
That's great. Very natural. Now I'll try. Hello, my name is Paul. I'm from England. I'm an English teacher and I love football.
Nice. Short and easy to understand.
One more tip. When you introduce yourself, remember to smile.
Yes, because language is not only words. Your body language is important too.
Exactly. A smile is international. Everyone understands it.
Unless you smile at your cat, then it just stares at you.
Your cat again.
Okay, friends, let's quickly review.
Number 1. Start with a greeting. Hi or hello.
Number 2, say your name. I'm Emily.
Number 3. Add extra information. Where you're from, your job, or your hobbies.
Number 4, keep it short, simple, and friendly.
And number 5. Don't forget to smile.
Yes, and maybe talk about pizza.
Laughs. Only if you're very hungry.
All right, that's all for today. Try to introduce yourself in English in the comments below.
We'll read them and maybe reply to some of you. See you next time. Bye.